Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese, step by step. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on 2 liters of quality whole milk. It's best to use non-pasteurized or low-temperature pasteurized milk for optimal results. Next, warm the milk slowly in a large pot, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. You want the milk to reach a temperature between 120 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit, feeling quite hot but not boiling. Once it reaches this warmth, take it off the heat. Now, it's time to encourage those curds to form. Carefully add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar or 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice to your warm milk. Stir the mixture gently for about 20 seconds to ensure the acid is well distributed. Then, cover the pot and let it sit quietly for 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, you'll notice the magical transformation as the milk separates into distinct white curds and a clear, yellowish liquid known as whey. With your curds formed, the next step is draining. Line a large strainer with a clean cheesecloth and set it over a bowl to catch the whey. Carefully pour the curds and whey into the lined strainer. Let the curds drain for anywhere from 10 to 60 minutes. The longer it drains, the drier your cheese will be. Once drained, gather the edges of the cheesecloth and gently squeeze out any remaining excess liquid, forming a soft ball of fresh cheese. To finish your homemade cheese, add about 1 teaspoon of salt to the drained curds and mix it in well. For a stretchier texture, like mozzarella, you can briefly immerse the curds in hot water, around 155 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 seconds. Then, stretch and fold the cheese 2 to 3 times until it becomes smooth and elastic. Finally, shape your cheese into a ball, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, and refrigerate it until you are ready to enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.